Here comes the same dude in the cessna back, so all he did was turn around. Now you can see him just approaching my house slowly. Like, what is that? Planes don't fly that slow. This freaking weirdo just floating on my roof. 2 years. They bankrolled on destroying me. Pastors out there, oh, this little fairy, and dude, they're all the fucking fairies. To be a civilian and go through this and have these idiot weasel bastards do this, sit on your head and do infrared, torture you and enjoy it, cover it up, be manipulated with podcasts, international podcast. Now he's pumping the tail on the Y as he gains altitude. It's not a black stripe. I think it's a reddish, like I said earlier. It's just difficult to tell the sun at this time in the morning. So he's revving as he slightly gains altitude and does the tail pump.